How to create a poll in Instagram in 2 ways. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now one of the ways to create a poll is via Instagram story. So let's tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen, and you can simply click on any random picture, or you can get it from a gallery as well. So I'm going to click a random picture over here and then tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Here you'll be able to see the option of poll. So let's tap on poll, and now let's ask a question. So let's ask the question over here for the poll, and now you can have your options over here. So let's say we can add as many options as you'd want. So let's have it over here and so on. So I'm just gonna add 2 options and then tap on done. Then tap on your story and you'll be able to have a poll or create a poll in Instagram story. Next, what you can do is you can simply go to the post section and create a normal post over here. Then tap on next, then tap on next again, and as you tap on next, you can see the option of poll over here below the caption section. So tap on poll, and now you can just ask similar question over here, and you can have options over here, and then you'll be able to add the check mark and just add the poll. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.